First Alert Weather Center with meteorologist Lisa Villegas. I mean, it doesn't look quite like that here at home, but we know we're not quite done with the rain just yet.
Yeah, and it's the same system that has caused havoc across parts of the coast. For us yesterday and for us even earlier this morning. So this low pressure system here, Siobhan, is still hanging around parts of the Carolinas, and this is kind of stalled out. It's going to toggle a little back and forth, and as that happens and it gets closer to us, we're going to see those rain chances increasing, and I do think we're going to see those rain chances increasing as early as tomorrow. But right now you can see those rain bands continuing to lift up towards the north, like I said, because of that low pressure system, and more of these rain bands developing just to the north of our area right now. No thunderstorms, nothing major happening for us across parts of Mecklenburg County, but as we press fast forward here, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, watching for these showers to roll through. So areas that saw a lot of the rain later on this afternoon, where we're talking Gastonia over to Mecklenburg, parts of York, Chester County, that's the area I want to watch out for again by tomorrow morning. Still not worrying, still watching for this to bleed into other counties, of course, as well, into Union, parts of Lancaster County, even stretching north up into Iredell later on in the afternoon. Timestamp here right around 12 o'clock. Remember, this is a guidance of all these showers that are going to lift up towards the north, but watching for more of that development to take place, especially throughout the morning and early afternoon. Later on in the afternoon, still watching for these showers, but I do think a lot of us are going to break apart. A lot of that cloud cover could even break for some sun breaks, which will be nice. Temperature wise, heading out the door tomorrow, we are going to be in the mid 60s. So a nice cool start, cloudy, dreary. We get it. But in the afternoon, temperatures beginning to rebound, a little warmer than where we were today. Did officially reach a high of 72 degrees this afternoon. By tomorrow, we're going to get ready for a temperature of around 78 degrees, at least for those across Charlotte. We're looking at the 60s up in the mountains. And here's what we can expect as of right now. Next few hours, we still have those rain chances in store. Wanted to point this out because 6 a.m. showers start to pick up a little bit for my early morning commuters. Now, the good news is we will see some relief, and that relief is going to take place by this weekend. So as we head into Saturday, 83 degrees expected for that high temperature. So we do begin to warm up a little bit. Sunday, lower 80s, which is the first day officially of fall, more sunshine expected, and we are going to remain dry. So make sure you make those plans outdoors. And speaking of that, if you want to plan on heading to Scarowinds Saturday evening, 7 o'clock, it all starts around 6:30 and continues through around midnight. Temperatures a little cooler later on the evening, eventually falling into the 60s. So some of us might even want to take that light jacket or maybe even a sweater. Now here's a look at what we can expect in the 7-day forecast. I want to give you some time to absorb this by tomorrow morning. Mid 60s. By tomorrow afternoon, 78 degrees. Watching for those shower chances, especially throughout the morning, early afternoon. Can't rule out a stray shower here and there Thursday, maybe a stray shower Friday, but overall more sunshine, more relief. Really looking forward to the weekend here, and we're going to continue with that stretch, finishing out our 7-day forecast.